Nationwide News understands that embattled chairman of the Police Officers Association, POA, Senior Superintendent of Police Wayne Cameron, is the subject of an investigation by the fraud squad concerning finances of the organization. Our sources say that's just one of the reasons that prompted Commissioner of Police Dr. Kevin Blake to ask SSP Cameron to vacate his role as POA chair. Sources close to the police high command say investigators of the Jamaica Constabulary Force's fraud squad are probing irregularities involving POA accounts that SSP Wayne Cameron has direct control over. SSP Cameron was first elected POA chairman in 2019 and re-elected in 2022. Since then, there have reportedly been no elections with no inclination to hold them. Sources say his continued holding of the office of chairman is undemocratic as elections are long overdue and there's been no good reason for the continued delay. Further, it's understood that some time ago SSP Wayne Cameron was asked to work under Assistant Commissioner of Police Marlon Nesbeth, who, at the time, had less than a year to go before retirement. Sources say it was clearly stated to SSP Cameron that he was to work with the ACP on a development plan for a particular branch of the JCF. SSP Cameron allegedly refused to work under Nesbeth as his superior. SSP Cameron allegedly said that Nesbeth wasn't competent enough to lead him. Sources say he instead went on a long vacation leave. Sources say when his leave expired, there were still a few days to go before ACP Nesbeth's departure. SSP Cameron reportedly went on sick leave as part of his continued protest. Nationwide News has reached out to SSP Cameron and made him aware of all the claims being made against him. We also told him that we're crafting a story based on the claims and invited him to respond. Up to news time, he had yet to take up our offer. Those are the headlines at 6. I'm Mahiri Stewart, Sports.